Welcome. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the simple steps to search for a contact on the X app. If you're new to the platform, or you just want a quick reminder of how to reach someone directly, this guide will make the process clear and easy to follow. Let's get started. The very first thing you'll want to do is open the X app on your mobile device. Once it launches, you'll notice the familiar home feed where you usually see posts and updates. From here, you need to head straight to your messaging section. To do that, look to the bottom of your screen and tap on the message icon. It's the spot where all of your conversations are stored, making it quick to check in on existing chats or start a brand new one. After tapping the message icon, you'll see your inbox open up. At the top of this screen, there's a search bar waiting for you to use it. This is the tool that makes finding a contact quicker than scrolling through all of your conversations. Simply tap on the search bar and begin typing either the name or the username of the person you want to message. As you type, X will begin showing results that match what you've entered. This helps you locate the person instantly, even if your list of conversations is long. When you see the contact you're looking for, just tap on their name. This will open up your private chat with them. From here, you can send a message right away and keep the conversation going. That's really all there is to it. 3 smooth steps. Open the app, tap the message icon, and use the search bar to find your contact. It's a fast and reliable way to connect with the exact person you need without any hassle. So the next time you need to reach someone on X, you'll know exactly where to go and what to do. Thanks for watching.